Hi, I'm Kawesi Joseph, working on chat search module for the reference application. My primary mentor is Kaiwa Daniel, and backup mentor is Tobin. And the aim of this project was basically to create a chat search module for the reference application, just as the title says. And just a brief background: last year, Dragons, during his Google Summer of Code for 2013, he developed a chat search module that was for the legacy application. I've captured a simple screenshot here to demonstrate a view of how it looked like. And the aim of this project was to pick whatever was in place and then implement a module that is working with the reference application. And the main objective was to create a chat search module for OpenMRS reference application, as I've said, and embed Apache Lucene for indexing of documents, then create a process to index all patient data, create an initial user interface for searching and filtering patient data, migrate to a separate Sora server, among other objectives. So far, what has been put in place is we have a chat search module for the reference application that has already been created we have already set up and having embedded Sora server, and it's running very fine. Currently, we index observation, encounters, and forms, and also we have an initial functional user interface with some filtering already in place. The current task which I'm now developing is category filter or category filters, and that is where I'm going to demonstrate. Here is just some code snippets, and for all the code you may visit the module repository. I'll be giving a URL. The module adds a link on the admin page, and so far we have several links. I want maybe to speak to, in case someone wants to use a separate Sora server, this is the way. Through the settings page, you can define by giving values to these global properties. If you give this true and then provide a URL and save, you'll be using, then you unload the module and also you reload it again, or you stop and start it again, you'll be able to switch to that. Otherwise, let me go direct to the current task. I've added a manage categories page, and for categories we have inbuilt categories and also we have custom categories. Inbuilt categories are those categories which we by default add in the module, and we add them through the code. And then custom categories are those categories which the user defines by themselves. And inbuilt categories, normally the user can't edit them or modify them, but for custom categories the user can. I'll be writing a wiki facets documentation which will demonstrate how to write facets or facet queries. And about just a brief background about facet query, Sora provides us with a way to filter categories of return results through faceting or Sora faceted search. And the way how it works is when we define fields in our schema.xml files, when we return the results after searching, we can normally using, when we add a facet query or a facet field, or just in broad using faceting, we can normally see a number of counts on each field that was returned, and also we can drill down or specifically choose or filter into those which only we want to see, the fields we want to see or categories that we want to see. And the user can register, update, or delete categories. This is so far the look on the module. These are so far the filters that we have, and the one that I'm working on is this. If the user adds a category, it will be listed here, and all other inbuilt categories listed also, and if he deletes, it will not be listed there. Otherwise, I think we can continue. The next tasks which I'm going to be implementing: searching forms and also search syntax. These are the references, and thank you so much, dear viewer, and also thanks to the Google Summer of Code project team and OpenMRS organization for choosing me or accepting my request and allowing me to be part of open source development and basically in saving lives. Thank you.